we need to express the binary number here, so that's 110011.101 in base 2, which is binary, as the original 0 to 9 decimal number. So very easy procedure. I find this one far easier than the previous example, because in this case all we have to do is simply write all of these digits out in the same way. So I'll do it like this and literally put them in terms of powers of 2. So all we have to do is start from the decimal point here, and this first digit here would be the unit. So this is the same as saying 2 to the power 0, because that's the same as 1, which is the unit. The next digit we just say 2 to the power 1, 0 is attached to 2 to the power 2, and so on. This is literally the position. If you multiply these, if you open these 2's out, or actually solve it, you'll realize that you get 1, 2, 4, and so on, and that's the exact identical value of the position we're in right now. So keep on going. If you go backwards from 0, you're going to get the negative power, so it'll be 2 to the negative 1, negative 2, and negative 3. Now, why do we do this? To convert it back to its original decimal number, all you have to do is simply find the sum product. That is, you just multiply and add. So for example, the way we solve this now, we can convert the number as, firstly, 2 to the power 5 times 1, which is just 2 to the power 5, plus 2 to the power 4 times 1, which is 2 to the power 4. And notice the next two, they both multiply against 0, so that cancels out. So we ignore that. So then we just add the ones that has a 1 attached. So it'll be 2 to the power 1 plus 2 to the power 0 plus 2 to the power negative 1 plus 2 to the power negative 3. And that's it. And when you input that all in the calculator, which I'm going to do right now, so bear with me guys, you should get a nice result. So yeah, go ahead. Put this in the calculator and see what we both get. So we get 2. So just be very careful how you write this, okay? It's actually a very easy problem, but just gotta be careful. But anyway, I got a total result of 51.625. See if you guys get the same thing. And that's it. That's literally how you convert any binary number over here into a decimal number.